You want to do my intro?
No.
Hey!
But sis, can we talk about that forehead though? Dang.
Hey
Say
fam.
Faye.
Here now go. It's Life Wyf CaityB. Ready? Hey fam! Then you get stuff and I'll be like, it's Life Wyf CaityB and I'm...
Bruh, my mama just like, what the heck did I just get myself into? I better get the hell out of this video right now.
Yeah.
Hey fam.
Oh no. 3, 2, 1. Hey fam!
Hey fam.
Why is she so awkward? What's up fam? It's Life Wyf CaityB back with another video with my MommaB. Say hi man. Yeah, cool. So we're gonna be doing a millennial slang video. So I'm gonna be giving my mom some words from this day and age that she probably won't understand. Like, you know, like shook or whatever, and she's gonna have to explain what it is, like define it or maybe put in a sentence or whatever. But yeah. Are you nervous? Are you excited? What are you expecting, mother?
No, I'm not. Because all your slangs, they originated from my time. But you guys...
From the 50s now.
But you guys have gone and used it but changed the spelling. Because you guys can't spell.
Nah, because we're cool, that's why. We're millennials. We can do what we want, bro. We're gonna be ending
Except
this
for fit owls.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So the first word is tea.
Tea what?
Tea, like spilling the tea.
How do you spell it?
T-E-A. What would us people in this generation use it for?
Gossip.
Yeah, spilling the tea. Alright, my phone's playing up. Okay. Lit. Lit.
On fire.
What?
No, you're...
It's lit. Yeah,
cool.
It's on fire. Yeah. Like it's... Boo. Yeah, cool. Yeah. You got it, mama. Goat. My uncle says this all the time.
Greatest of all time.
Oh, you searched it. I'm sure she searched on slangs. I shouldn't have told her we were gonna do millennial slang. Okay. You see, Sasha? I didn't even know goat meant greatest of all time.
NBA greatest of all times. NRL greatest of all times.
I didn't know that's what goat stood for. I thought it just meant
Milk the goat.
yeah. I was like, goats aren't even that. No, jokes. All right. Woke.
Woke up.
No. She's woke.
Awake. Awake.
No.
She's woke.
Oh, like how would I put in the sentence? Your work is if.
Did you swear? Your work is... You're cool.
Nah, it sort of means that you're like really aware. Like, do you know how like your work? Wait, hold up. I had the definition here. Hold up. Ah. Work means being aware of current affairs. Bougie. I would use
Rich.
Yep. Or higher class.
High class.
Same.
High maintenance. No.
Maybe
High
not.
class.
High class. More like. Salty. Why are you so salty, bro?
You or Oma. You bitter.
Bitter. You're salty, like mad. Yeah, bitter. Okay, finna.
Skinny.
No? Not finna, what? Finna. I'm finna go to the store.
I'm gonna go to the store.
I'm about to go. Finna, like, is when you're gonna do something like.
That's why I just...
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna go...
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, throwing shade.
Being a troll.
You said shut up, eh?
I know what shade is.
Yeah. Yeah, that's an obvious one. I'm sure people have been using that since back in the day. Roast.
It's what we do.
Yeah.
It's what we do best.
Islanders roast the best. I'm not an
Not
example.
roast, not roast lamb.
Yeah, I'm not even.
Mock.
I'm not an example of Islander. They can
Mock.
roast. Yeah, mock. But like mock times 10, as you know. Extra. Why are you so extra, bro?
Overboard.
Doing too much. Okay, on fleek.
On time.
Look at my makeup. It's on fleek. Leave me alone.
I am going to roast now. Look at your
She
makeup.
sounds like a rape
Your
opera.
makeup's on fleek.
Like when you look good, you're on fleek. Like, you know what I'm saying? I hate looking at this game. All natural.
Oh, I know. Up yourself.
No, I just explained it.
Oh. Cocky.
Okay, nah. Gucci. I always use this.
Rich. Expensive.
I'm Gucci. You Gucci?
Green
bro?
and red.
No. You Gucci, bro?
You alright?
You good?
Oh. Round.
Sort of like asking someone if you're all good. Gucci.
Yeah.
Yeah. I used that at work, and one of the girls my age, she was like, "What is that?" And I was just like, "What?" She listens to Drake and all that. Like, she's more thing than me, but yeah. Alright. Shook. I always use this.
I'm shocked.
I'm shook. Yes. Those who know me, they know I use shook a lot. Basic.
Normal.
Yeah. You're so basic. Basic is also someone that's into popular things like everyone else, like things that everyone else is into. So basic. Feels. It's on maths a lot.
Are you feeling me? Not that way, but
What?
emotions.
Yeah. Feels like,
You feel the same way I do.
yeah, like relate, like relating. Like someone says, "Oh, she ate my chocolate cake." She's like, "Oh, feels." Oh, I don't know. Bad example. Or turned.
What?
We get turned up. We
Dance?
Get turned up. No, turned. T-U-R-N with a T. So turned is to like get.
No.
Oh.
It's to get. Oh, I forgot it now. I had it at the tip of my tongue, but you just interrupted.
Yes, to get lit. So I can't dance. That was so
Wow,
cringy.
really? You see what I have to put up with?
This is how I was dancing at
I
my
hope you
first
like
gig.
this at work.
Yeah. Oh. I get too tired at work. Like, you know, you wake up early in the morning, you don't really want to converse with people sometimes.
Because you haven't brushed your teeth. Because you haven't brushed your teeth.
I'm telling y'all the nerve of this woman.
When is the last time you brushed your teeth?
5 minutes ago.
She used to brush her teeth 5 times a day.
Oh, fuck up.
It's sickening. Alright. Ooh, let's have a beverage, guys. Feeling bougie?
Excuse me.
Pardon you. I don't really drink Coke, but it tastes nice lately.
I'm shook of.
Oh, I hope she doesn't start using these words. It's gonna be so cringe. What's cringe?
Ew. I was thinking. Emotion.
Mood. Achoo! She sneezes loud, guys. Beware. Beware. Sus.
Sort it out.
You searched it up.
Excuse me. No, we sus is old. Honest? What are you asking me honest for?
Isn't that like sus also means like
Have you sussed it out?
no, not that sus.
Couldn't they suss you out?
I'll sus you out. No, sus like someone's really sketchy, like shifty, dodgy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But sussy, bro.
Yeah. Bruh. I use that all the time.
Bro. Like,
Bruh.
wow.
How would you put it in a
Oh,
sentence?
shoot. Bro, you're fat.
Bruh. Bruh. See? That's an example
Bro,
there.
you're fat.
Bruh. Clap back. I don't
Oh,
really
no,
know
that's
much
not.
about this one.
Clap back is response. Reply.
Yeah.
Get back to me.
Sort of. But with attitude, like a comeback or something. That's the meaning that I saw. Slay.
You're like, you're slaying it, you're wearing it nicely, or
Yeah.
you're
Yeah. Dead. Dead.
dead.
Dead. I'm so dead.
Oh yeah, I'm in trouble.
Yeah, there's heaps of meaning for you. I'm so dead. Or something that's really funny and you're like dead. Yeah, you got it.
It's funny, but you're dead.
Say what?
Say something that was really funny and you just can't stop laughing. You're just like dead. Ratchet.
Ugly.
Yeah, just looking real. Not snatched. Snatched.
Is that a kind of way of saying ugly?
No. It's sort of like saying a slave. Like you look so good, you look snatched. Savage.
Mean. Yeah, mean.
Ruthless.
Ruthless.
Finesse.
Class.
Yes? Yeah. I forgot the meaning to that. Finesse. Yeet. Yeet. Y-E-Y-E-E-T. Yeet is like saying yes or yes.
Wow.
Or
Really?
yeet. Thick with 2 C's instead of a CK.
That's how you guys text.
Oh, she thick. She bad.
Oh, she's cool. She's dumb.
She thick. No,
Fat.
Like, you're thick. Like, not fat, but you know that. That kind
Oh, Asia Panami.
Yeah. Asia.
So,
She is thick. No, that's like a good thing. That's a compliment. Sorry, not sorry. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. It pretty much means what it.
is that another one? Oh, sorry, not sorry. Don't give flying.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Sorry? What about that one? Sorry?
Really?
Sorry? Yeah, yeah.
Really?
What? You joking, mate? Swerve. Swerve on this one. Curved or swerved is like say if you're gonna see curved or swerved, the guy, it's sort of like friend zoning, sort of like that.
Okay.
Or you're just like not messing with people. I don't know. Comment down below if I'm wrong. Trolls. We all love trolls.
It's the same as the other word you said earlier.
Shifty.
Shady.
Shady. Yeah. Trolls.
Haters.
Haters. Yeah.
What?
Keyboard warriors.
Like you? You do that? Like.
Yeah. Keyboard.
That's you.
No, not fast typing. I mean like people that are like online trolls. Like they can talk smack behind the computer screen, but
Yeah.
yeah. Alright. Bounce.
Gotta go.
Bounce, bounce, bounce,
I gotta
bounce,
go.
Bounce, bounce. You right, mama. RT.
Retweet.
I was like, she's got it.
Return.
Nope.
Rotate. I don't know.
Real talk.
Oh, bugger.
Real talk. Yeah. So what do you think about how us generation talk?
Weird.
Very weird. Like how
Weird.
weird?
Like Google weird.
Like we need to start talking properly weird, or we need to start
As long as you
growing up?
guys. As long as you guys don't talk like that to the elders. I mean,
Disrespectful.
be more respectful. And like, you know, remember how you used to text me like that? And then
I think we always used to text really stupid.
And I used to say to her, don't text me like I'm your friend, I'm your mother. Text me properly. And you haven't done that ever again.
Yeah, I think
it used to piss me off.
Yeah, I think I used to get sick like of texting my friends and
because it looks like we look so uneducated. Texting more.
Yeah. Look,
you add 10 C's or 30,000 O's to a word and you think,
yeah. Like
yeah,
nowadays,
it looks so unintelligent.
Yeah.
Like real dumb.
Yeah.
Can't spell.
Yeah. I think we like to throw people off like that.
Outskis.
So guys, we are outskis. Thank you guys for watching this video. Collabing with my mom over here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope my mom doesn't use any more of these slangs because cringe. But yeah, I love my mama. She's about to beat my butt, so but yeah, until the next video guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and click on the ding 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 down below. And yeah, for all my new subscribers here, thank you for subscribing and joining the fam, and yeah, see you later. Kakitiano! Ow! Oh, you put my lips on. Ow! 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 Okay.
Oh, you want to play that game?
We're about to play now.
Yay!